For the reaction A plus 2B gives AB2, the rate constant is 1.26 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 liter mole inverse second inverse. What is the order of the reaction? Now, to do this question, firstly we should have the idea about the order of reaction. So order of reaction is basically it's an experimental value. Alright, when we talk about the order of reaction, then it's an experimental value, means we can predict the order of the reaction by experiments. Okay, and you can't predict the order of the reaction by observing the reaction, but in case of the elementary reactions you can say that the molecularity is equal to the order of the reaction. Okay, so but in this particular case we have to find out the order of the reaction. So the good way to approach this question is to understand the units of the rate constant, right? So we have a unit of rate constant K. So the value is 1.26 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 liter per mole per second. Alright, so in this case the unit is liter per mole per second. But if we say that what is the general formula for general formula for order of reaction. So we can learn the general formula for order of reaction is mole per liter 1 minus n second inverse. Okay, so this is a general formula. Now in order to get this unit, what we have to do, if you want to put this value, that liter mole inverse second inverse, okay, so what we can do here, so you can see that second inverse is present in this way. Okay, but this is opposite. Okay, here we have the liter and here we have the liter inverse, and here we have the mole inverse, but here we have the mole. Okay, so what n values, what we can put the value of n. Okay, so you can expect the value of n. What you can expect the value of n? It can be the 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. Okay, now if I put the n equals to 2, that is the second order, so what will be the expression? So this expression will be mole liter inverse, right, 1 minus 2 and second inverse. So this will be basically, it will comes out mole liter inverse, and it's an inverse, right, second inverse. So you can write it here as mole inverse liter second inverse. Okay, so you can see that this value is equivalent to this value, that is the liter per mole per second. Okay, so you can say that it's a second order reaction. Okay, second order reaction.